Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Chatcast. I'm Ben, and I'm here with my co-host, Anna.
Hi there, I'm Anna, and we're so excited you're here.
Before we jump into today's English practice, we have a very quick but incredibly important favor to ask all of you. Please take just a moment to like this video and subscribe to the English Chatcast channel.
That is absolutely right. Hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel is incredibly important for us. When you engage with our videos, it sends a powerful message directly to the YouTube algorithm. It tells the platform that our English lessons are valuable, high quality, and genuinely helpful for your learning journey. That interaction pushes our videos out to thousands of other English learners all over the world who might really need this free resource.
Your amazing support is the only reason we are able to keep producing these free lessons for you every single week, so please hit that subscribe button right now. We truly appreciate every single one of you. Your support means everything to our growing community. Now, Anna, I know the weather has been a little crazy here in the studio parking lot today.
It really has. I spent my whole morning just trying to keep my long red hair from blowing wildly into my glasses every time a gust of wind hit me. I am very glad to be inside where it is calm and quiet, so we can focus on the lesson.
I agree completely. I actually just got a fresh, close shave this morning. Being exactly 22 years old, I feel like a completely clean-shaven look suits me best, and it certainly makes me feel refreshed and ready to get to work. Today, we are bringing you a massive, highly requested shadowing session. Shadowing is a remarkably effective language learning technique. You listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say. It trains your physical mouth muscles and your brain to use proper English pronunciation, intonation, and natural rhythm.
It is the absolute fastest way to sound completely natural when you speak. We're going to explain exactly how this works for you. You are going to hear each phrase or sentence twice, and you should repeat the phrase or sentence you heard while following the captions on the screen.
We have prepared 5 different sets of exercises for you today for a total of 50 sentences. We are keeping all of the sets easy with just a few words per sentence, heavily focused on talking about yourself in English.
They reflect exactly what you might say when talking about yourself, your family, your hobbies, your interests, or your career. I will start us off with the first sentence in our first easy set, and then Ben will take the next one. We will each repeat our sentences 4 times. Remember to speak up and practice right along with us. Are you ready? Let's begin.
I write short stories.
I write short stories.
My brother plays loud drums.
My brother plays loud drums.
We eat fresh bananas.
We eat fresh bananas.
I work at a clinic. I work at a clinic.
He drives a dark truck.
He drives a dark truck.
My dad builds small tables. My dad builds small tables.
I need a warm jacket.
I need a warm jacket.
She takes nice nature photos. She takes nice nature photos.
I walk to the gym. I walk to the gym.
We have a big dog. We have a big dog.
Great job, everyone. That is the end of the first set. Remember to project your voice confidently into the room and focus on the rhythm of the words. Please do not worry about stumbling over a word while you are practicing.
That is wonderful advice, Anna. Now we are going to move right into the second set. These sentences will follow the exact same easy format, focusing on daily habits and family life. Keep up the great work.
I play the acoustic guitar. I play the acoustic guitar.
My sister runs very fast. My sister runs very fast.
We like cold orange juice.
We like cold orange juice.
I work at a bakery. I work at a bakery.
He rides a fast bike.
He rides a fast bike.
My uncle sells sports cars. My uncle sells sports cars.
I want some hot tea. I want some hot tea.
She plants pretty red roses. She plants pretty red roses.
I run to the park. I run to the park.
We have a loud clock. We have a loud clock.
Fantastic work on that second set. You are doing amazing. Your pronunciation is going to sound so incredibly natural if you keep practicing just like this. Stay focused and keep your energy high.
Now we are ready for our third set. We are keeping the sentences short and simple so you can master your mouth movements without worrying about complex vocabulary. Take a deep breath and let us begin. I cleaned the dirty kitchen. I clean the dirty kitchen.
My cousin likes hard math. My cousin likes hard math.
We buy fresh baked bread. We buy fresh baked bread.
I work at a school. I work at a school.
He flies a small plane. He flies a small plane.
My aunt bakes sweet cakes. My aunt bakes sweet cakes.
I need a wool hat. I need a wool hat.
She draws cute white dogs. She draws cute white dogs.
I drive to the beach. I drive to the beach.
We have a soft rug. We have a soft rug.
Outstanding job, everyone! You are already past the halfway mark of today's lesson. Shake out your shoulders, stay relaxed, and keep your energy up.
Here comes our fourth set. We are continuing with practical, everyday sentences that you can use immediately in your daily English conversations. Let us jump right back in.
I wash my dirty car.
I wash my dirty car.
My nephew plays golf today. My nephew plays golf today.
We drink cold ice water. We drink cold ice water.
I work at a cafe. I work at a cafe.
He takes the early bus.
He takes the early bus.
My grandpa tells funny jokes. My grandpa tells funny jokes.
I want a cold drink.
I want a cold drink.
She sings very soft songs.
She sings very soft songs.
I jogged to the lake. I jogged to the lake.
We have a green plant. We have a green plant.
Brilliant job on set number 4. We know 50 sentences is a lot of hard work, but repetition is truly the secret key to mastering a new language.
It really is. You have made it to the 5th and final set for today. Give it everything you have left and finish strong. Repeat after us. I sweep the front porch. I sweep the front porch.
My best friend loves art. My best friend loves art.
We eat sweet red grapes. We eat sweet red grapes.
I work at a library. I work at a library.
He sails a white boat. He sails a white boat.
My grandma knits winter hats. My grandma knits winter hats.
I need a new book. I need a new book.
She writes short, funny poems. She writes short, funny poems.
I hiked to the peak. I hiked to the peak.
We have a nice home. We have a nice home.
You did it! Fantastic job, everyone! You conquered all 5 sets today. We know that required a tremendous amount of focus, and we are incredibly proud of your dedication to improving your spoken English.
Since we are both 22 years old, we know perfectly well how tough it is to balance studying with everything else going on in life, so we truly respect your effort today. We highly recommend saving this video and coming back to it a few times this week.
The more you vocalize these shadowing exercises, the faster you will naturally speak without translating words in your head first. Thank you all so much for joining us for another productive episode of the English Chatcast.
We absolutely love having you as a dedicated part of our community. Seeing your progress is what motivates us to keep creating these lessons. Until next time, keep practicing, keep listening, and remember that learning English with us is
a piece of cake. Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time on the English Chatcast.